I believe everyone's got an algorithm for life. A life that can be lived in line with your own values and your own terms. Here are 3 ways that you can find your own algorithm to start living the life that you've always wanted. First thing is identify the thing that you would get out of bed for even if you weren't being paid. And most of us today, especially Gen Zers, I'm sorry, you're not going to get out of bed if you're not going to get that dollar or that moolah, right? But I'm sorry, you're going to have to find something that will motivate you irrespective of the check that you receive. And that's the first thing. Find your passion in finding your algorithm. Second thing is, historically, even if you're just starting out in the working world, you would have been paid for something in your life and there would be patterns in that payment. Understand the things that have led to that profit. So when you combine the ability of passion with the ability of profit, you start to identify the things that will develop your own algorithm that allow you to live a life on your own terms and do things that you're deeply passionate and things that you deeply care for. And the final thing is, you've now understood your passion. You now know the route to profit because you've got the identifiers. You then need to appreciate what allows you to be the best in the world. And this is critically important because most likely your career in entrepreneurship or your career of finding your algorithm, living life on your own terms, you're going to be doing the thing over and over again. And if that is the case, you need to feel the ability to be growing. Growth is the most important aspect that a human being is looking for when it comes to the life that they live. And you can only do so, you can only create growth if you are getting better at something. So when you have these 3 things, when you have your passion, you then understand your ability to profit, and then you know the thing that you can perfect. You start to understand how you create your own algorithm because you're then creating work that you love.